Till now, we have done questions in which we were selecting from all distinct objects. Now we have some questions in which we have to select from the objects which are not all distinct. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन है उसमें कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स आइडेंटिकल है और उसमें से हमें सिलेक्शन करना है. We can use formula NCR only when all n objects are distinct. But if some of the objects are identical, we cannot use this formula. Now here we have first question, find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word bananas. Now here all the letters are not distinct. Okay, let's write the letters B, A, N, A, N, A, S. Okay, there are 7 letters of which 3 letters are identical of one type. We have triple A, and 2 letters are identical of other type. We have double N. Now we have to form 4-letter words using these letters. Now since all the letters are not identical, we cannot use formula NCR. Okay, so what we do, we make here cases. Case number 1, when all letters are distinct. Okay, now how many distinct letters are there? There are only 4 distinct letters, B, A, N and S. ठीक है ना? We have to select 4 distinct letters and we can select in 4C 4 ways. Okay, definitely we will select B, 1A, 1N and 1S. Letters will be B, A, N, S. Okay. Now how many words can be formed using these 4 letters? We can form 4 factorial number of words. So number of words will be 4C4, which is actually 1, multiply by 4 factorial, this is equal to 24. Okay. Now what will be another case? क्या हो सकता है दूसरा केस? We have 2 letters identical and 2 letters distinct. 2 letters identical हैं और बाकी के 2 letters distinct हैं. Now for 2 identical letters we have 2 options. We may have either double A or double N. Okay, that means we can select one pair of identical letters from these 2 groups in 2C 1 ways. Okay. Now suppose this pair of identical letters is selected. Okay. Now we have to choose 2 more letters from the remaining 3 distinct letters B, A and S. हमें जो बाकी के 2 letters select करने हैं वो distinct होने चाहिए और हमारे पास 3 distinct letters available हैं B, A and S, and we can select 2 distinct letters from 3 distinct letters in 3C 2 ways. Okay, so this is the job of selection. One pair of identical letters and 2 other distinct letters. Okay, now how you arrange these 4 letters? We arrange in 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways, because in 4 letters we have 2 letters identical. Okay, let's take some more possible cases. क्या हो सकता है एक और केस? We have 2 identical letters of one kind and 2 identical letters of other kind. That means we have to choose 2 pairs of identical letters, and definitely those letters will be double A, double N. So we have only one way of selection. We can write this way also, 2C2. Okay. So the job of selection is over. How can we arrange these 4 letters? We can arrange in 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways. ठीक है ना? 4 लेटर्स हैं, डबल ए, डबल एन, तो अरेंज करने के वेज क्या होंगे? 4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 2 फैक्टोरियल, 2 फैक्टोरियल. Now this value is 2c1 is 2, 3c2 is 3, okay, 24 upon 2 is 12. So this is 6 multiplied by 12, 72, okay, and this is 24 upon 4, 6, okay. So total number of words of 4 letters that can be formed is 24 plus 72 plus 6. This is equal to 102. We can form 102 number of words. Now number of cases in the question depends on what kind of letters we have, what kind of repetition of letters we have. Okay. Keeping this in mind, let's try one more question. So look at this question, find the number of 5 letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word independent. Okay. So first we segregate the letters. We have letters I, N, D, E, P, E, N, D, E, N and T. We have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 11 letters. Here we have 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11 letters. Okay. Now we have to form words of 5 letters using letters of this word. So here we make cases. First case, all letters are distinct. All distinct. Now how many distinct letters we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 distinct letters and we can select 5 letters in 6C 5 ways. Okay. Now since all the letters are distinct, we can arrange 5 letters in 5 factorial ways. Okay. Now second case, क्या हो सकता है second case? 2 letters are identical and 3 letters are distinct. Now 2 letters are identical. Those letters may be double N, double D or double E. Okay. We have here 3 options for 2 identical letters. We can select one pair of identical letters from 3 options in 3C 1 ways. Okay. Multiply by, now we have to select 3 more letters which are distinct. If we select this pair of identical letters, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 distinct letters available, from which we have to select 3 letters. So we can select in 5C 3 ways. Okay. So this is the job of selection. Now we have to arrange the selected letters. In how many ways we can arrange? We have now 5 letters in which 2 letters are identical. We can arrange in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways. Okay. Case number 3. क्या हो सकता है? We have 2 pairs of identical letters. 2 pairs of identical letters. We have 3 options available for pair of identical letters. We have to select any 2 pairs. We can select in 3C 2 ways. Okay. Now effectively we have selected 4 letters. ये जो 3C2 है उसमें क्या किया है हमने 2 पेयर सिलेक्ट करी है ना आइडेंटिकल लेटर्स के. अब हमें एक और लेटर सिलेक्ट करना है. सपोज वी हैव सिलेक्टेड दीज 2 pairs of identical letters. So now we have 4 options to select one letter and we can select in 4C 1 ways. Now in how many ways you can arrange these 5 letters? We may have double N, double D and T. We can arrange these 5 letters in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways. Okay. So this is number of ways in which 5 letter words can be formed, in which there are 2 pairs of identical letters. Any more possibility? Yes, we have one more possibility, 3 identical and 2 distinct. ये भी तो हो सकता है ना. Okay. Now for 3 identical letters we have 2 options. We may have either triple N or triple E. We can select one triplet of identical letters in 2C1 ways. Okay. If we select this triplet, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 distinct letters, and we can select 2 distinct letters in 5C2 ways. Okay. Now how can we arrange these 5 letters in which there is one triplet of identical letters? We can arrange in 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial ways. Okay. Now we have one more case. क्या होगा ये केस? We have 3 identical letters of one kind and 2 identical letters of other kind. Okay. For 3 identical letters, again we have 2 options to choose from, either triple N or triple E. So we have number of ways 2C1. Okay, for selecting one triplet of identical letters. If we select this triplet of identical letters, for 2 identical letters of other kind we have 2 options. We may select either double D or double E. We can select one pair of identical letters in 2C1 ways. Okay, and we can arrange these 5 letters in 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. So almost we have done all the cases. इसके अलावा और कोई केस मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है ना, एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. All distinct letters 6C5 multiplied by 5 factorial, 2 identical and 3 distinct. For 2 identical, number of ways of selection is 3C1. Okay, and for 3 distinct, number of ways of selection is 5C3. Arrangement ways is 5 factorial over 2 factorial. Okay, then we have 2 pairs of identical letters. We have 3 options to choose from, so we have 3C2 ways, and for remaining one letter we have 4C1 ways. Okay, number of ways of arrangements is 5 factorial over 2 factorial. Then we have 3 identical letters and 2 distinct letters. For one triplet of identical letters we have 2C1 number of ways, and for remaining 2 distinct letters we have 5C2 ways. Number of ways of arrangements is 5 factorial over 3 factorial. Then we have 3 identical letters of one kind, 2 identical letters of other kind. Number of ways of selecting one triplet of identical letters is 2C1. Then from the remaining groups of identical letters, selecting one pair of identical letters is 2C1, and number of ways of arrangements is 5 factorial over 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Okay, then total number of words will be sum of all these cases. ठीक है ना, आप इन सबको ऐड करो, आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स मिलेंगे. तो बस यहाँ पे हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि नंबर ऑफ केसेस कितने बनेंगे, कोई केस छूट ना जाए, बस हमें इसका ध्यान रखना है. Hope you like this video. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.